Hello guys, and today I would like to give you more detail on this app called Paidwork. So this is gonna be tutorial for Paidwork. So we have this user interface. This is the home page or dashboard. Here you have earning section, analytics and billings, referral programs. Let's see from dashboard. Here we also have this notification bar, and let's just see, you can see notifications from here. This just shows like 1 week of your earning, like 7 days, last 7 days earning. You can just see over here. Yeah, and my total balance is 22 cents. So let's see about earn. So we have a lot of features, like we have a lot of methods to earn. So first of all, we have game, and another we have surveys, we have videos, online shopping. Let me show you of a survey. Like it also matters on your country, because like if your country is not supporting to these kind of servers, or like let's just say your country is like Sri Lanka, Nepal ish, or kind of a little bit least developed countries, it is gonna be hard. But you can earn from watching watching like videos. So we have video option. You can just see there is some, like there are some different prices. Okay, we have one. Once you are done with the app, add like watching ads, just cut it, and yeah, you will get some credits. Over here you can see 100 points is equal to $1, and we have some referral programs over here. So it says invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on Paidwork. If the person makes their first payout, you will both get $10. So by just downloading this app from the link down below, you can just get $10 for your first payment. Basically it means like you need $10 to cash out. Yeah, you need $10 to cash out, and you will get additional $10 if you just download it from my link. So you would get totally $20. So yeah, this is most about this app. It's quite good if you are in a great country like USA or maybe China, India. So we also have settings. You can change the setting over here, 2-digit, 3-digit. For now I will just keep 3-digit. Over here we have dark theme, turn it up. We have billing method, privacy, about. So yeah, you can just fill these forms, and maybe they just give you some extra coins or credits. You can also earn by shopping. I didn't use this feature, by the way, because like I don't necessarily shop that much online. So yeah, that's it for today, I guess. So see you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.